Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, it's pretty exciting to think about earning your own money, especially when you're 12 years old. It's not just about what you can buy, it's also a great way to learn responsibility and understand the true value of a dollar. Imagine having your own cash for treats, games, or maybe even saving up for something big. We're going to dive into some really cool and safe ideas today, helping you find the perfect way to start your earning journey right from home or in your neighborhood. One of the easiest ways to start earning is by offering help right in your own neighborhood. Think about it, busy people often need an extra set of hands. You could offer to walk a friendly dog, water plants when neighbors are away, or even help rake leaves in the fall. These small services, like taking out trash cans on collection day or fetching mail, can really add up. Just be sure to always ask a parent or guardian to help you set things up and stay safe. Do you love to draw, craft, or maybe even bake? Your creative talents can definitely help you earn money. Think about making colorful friendship bracelets, unique handmade cards, or perhaps even delicious cookies or lemonade. People often love buying things that are made with care and personal touch. With a parent's permission, you could set up a little stand, sell to family and friends, or even at a small neighborhood fair. It's a wonderful way to share your passion and earn money too. The internet also offers some supervised opportunities for earning a bit of cash. With a parent sitting right beside you, you might be able to take part in fun, kid-friendly surveys, or even test out new games and websites. There are platforms designed to gather opinions from younger audiences, which can pay a small amount for your time. Remember, online safety is super important, so always make sure an adult is there to guide you and check everything out before you start. As you start earning, remember these important tips. Your safety is always the #1 priority, so always involve your parents in any money-making plans. Once you start earning, it's a great idea to save some of your money, maybe for a bigger goal you have in mind. Learning how to manage your own money now, even just a little bit, is an incredibly valuable skill that will help you throughout your life. It's exciting to be 12 and start this journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.